This is my lunch. This will be quite filling. Sometimes it could be a good option for lunch or dinner, when you don't have time or when you want to free up your body, stomach. One of the entrances to the Mandrem beach. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Looks like a garden area, इधर तो नहीं है शायद ना.
वाटरफॉल है ना उधर कलंगुट साइड में है वो कौन सा तो आइलैंड है उधर लेके जाते हैं
बोट से लेके जाते हैं. Mandrem beach doesn't look any different from Arambol. I think soon it will be another commercial beach. It's already. These guys are playing a good game with absolutely zero waste of time. Kudos. Doesn't look like anything is happening. So, see you. Mandrem Beach, that's all. So, Morjim Beach, Mandrem Beach, I forgot the name, sorry. So, Mandrem Beach doesn't look anything greatly different from what it is I read about, like it's a soulful beach and nobody will be there. But yeah, there are some trees on the other side which is not present in Arambol. It's a rock. But the shacks are there. Shacks are same. The cellars are same. It's mostly commercialized again. It's an okay beach. Overall, the vibe is there. I mean, people playing football and people working out and all that. Slightly different from Arambol. Oh, the sun is slowly coming up the tree. Yes, I did two things. I achieved, in fact. I was able to wake up early, 6 o'clock. Past 3 days I've been waking up at, the first day was 8 o'clock, then 7, today is 6. I'm doing this so that I can go somewhere in the morning, early morning, and come back before the sun is too hot and I can prepare breakfast and all that. Yes, today I want to tell about the cleaning. Some cleaning things like after cooking in the kitchen. I'm cleaning the vessels and the kitchen table as soon as I'm done with the meal. If I'm a little lazy, before I prepare the next meal, I wash the previous vessels. So that, in short, I'm washing clothes every day so that it's less. So it doesn't pile up, It's like 2 clothes every day, it's easier. It's all fogged up in the morning. And there's a hen and her chicks trying to find food. So I'm yet to decide where to go, today. Let me search the map and let you know soon. Ashwem beach it is. Let's go. It's further ahead from the Mandrem beach, which I visited last time. It's all same coast. Let's see if it's. Do not come to the location that map is provided. You wouldn't reach to the beach. There is a property that is sealed and I was not able to go past, I could see. So I'll try to enter one of the hotels, like eating place, to enter the beach. Most of these beach side is occupied by resorts and hotels, and there is an entry point to the beach. Maybe I went little ahead, there's one turn here. That looks like it's going to the beach. Let's. Oh, the way is here. I was wondering if it's there, Small trek down now. Steps looks okay. That's where I came from. And then there are rocks over there. Beyond that there are coconut trees, rocks again. And here is the beach. The other side doesn't look so interesting. A few shacks over there. Whenever I'm in the beach, I feel like closing my eyes and feeling the waves, the air and the sand. Yesterday I walked that way, just closing my eyes. So here is an instructor who is teaching his online students how to exercise, as well as training this guy for the Olympics 100-meter race. There he goes. As the other side looks little dull, there are rocks on this side. I'll try walk this. Sun is hitting my face, man. Look at these formations after the wave goes. Looks beautiful. Got couple photos of them as well. I just came for these coconut trees from all the way there. Plus the rocks. Now it looks like this belongs to some cottage. But they have made sure that every tree stays, You could see these trees going through the roof all the way up. Lot of coconut trees. I will sit on these rocks for a while, one of those. Look at all these water holes, The wave comes, hits, water stays. Look at that water going out from those. It looks like those fountains we have in the market shop. Right? Here on these rocks. My ass is twitching, but I'm tricking you guys. Lost my battery, guys. I was pulling my phone out to take a photo. It dropped into the other side of the hole. This hole looks deeper. As you can see, it's in the center. I'll see if I can remove it somehow. I dropped it in this hole, but it went and that hole is connected over there. So what you saw was from that side. This stick might help. Let me give it a try. It's a 2K battery. Let's give it a try. The water hit just now and it's all blurry. I'm not able to see. I'm waiting for it to clear, Hope no more of water comes in, Sad news, guys, but I'm happy. I'm happy because end was good. My mood went off a little, but then I saw an old man who cheered me up. He was walking with a stick, but the stick was in his hand and he was walking so fast, faster than me maybe. What happened is after I dropped the battery, I got a coconut tree thing to take it out. The problem is there are holes around, which some were shallow. This was a deeper one, so I couldn't reach by my hand. So I tried that, and I was able to pull it to a certain extent. But then the hole starts coming up. So there I'm not able to pull it up, okay. And the water is getting all blurry because of the sand. Due to this, I lost concentration of my other camera, held with this, and this mic, and this mic. This is a mic, and this is a recorder. They go on top of these, and that's how I record voice, because the audio from this is not so good. And this was on my shoulder, crossed, not over the neck, across on one side of the shoulder. So on the sling I had hooked it up and it came loose. It came loose that it was about to drop into the same hole. I quickly grabbed it, okay. This is almost like a 43K, the 30K camera, 5K recorder, and this mic costs 8K. So I thought, why not lose 2,000 than losing 43,000, I could, by reflexes I held this. And you know what happened? It went into the seawater. That's why I'm drying this. And there are the foams which are all wet. So I've kept it here. So anyway, it's better to lose 2K. 2K is anyways, once I fill petrol, it's almost 2K. It's better to lose 2K than 43K, But slight damages, hope they will be fine. Hope they will be fine once I... Yeah, the old man cheered me up, but still I have some weird feeling. I'll stop at the beach ahead to get that feeling going easy. There's a place, I'll just show you. That's where I came from, and this is the spot I'm talking about. I think it's seawater, but then it has come to the other side. I saw it while going in the morning, but didn't think to... One more thing I forgot to mention. I'm glad that I didn't drop the keys. Keys were in the other pocket. The battery was in the other pocket with the phone. So that's the river, and then it comes and joins the sea here. Also, the water from sea might be going there, acts like a backwater. goes mic 1. There goes mic 2. Put this, soak it for a while so that moisture comes out, you know. Here is the dinner. This is rice with capsicum broccoli curry. It's my own. It was just a plain curry in the noon. Now I got some coconut milk and added it. It's tasting good. I added more turmeric, not by accident, without being in the zone. Man. The mic is fine, but the sound recorder is not. It's still in the rice. Today I don't have much to tell, but I saw that Arambol is in a remote area. The way the culture and things are, even though there are like shops around, what I noticed is you won't find a lot of things. There are things which are in need, like there are people to buy. There are nothing like supermarkets, or there are very small ones. They don't look like supermarket. It's also called as fisherman's village, Russian village, remote village. One other thing that I was telling yesterday was about cleaning. Clean time to time, at the moment. You see something, just pick it up and throw it in the dustbin, or clean the clothes same way. But from past 2 days, the clothes have been lying down, mainly due to my work, office work, and it's not like much, but it's something that which has to be fixed. An issue, for example, a bug in the app. It takes a lot of time sometimes to figure out and sometimes to fix. So whole day goes with just the brain being there. So that was the sadly, but then hoping for good days ahead. And I came across some posts on Instagram where they are doing the unknown places in Goa. I'll try to do that from next week. Islands and waterfalls and treks and all that. Coming next. Trying to find chicken in and around this Gaude Vada road in Arambol. But I'm not able to, there's no halal source. Either the shop is closed or one of them were. So I'm thinking I will go somewhere near Kalangot. Like there's one, it's around 20 kilometers. So I thought, why not I go to that nearby beach or a visiting place and then, buy the chicken and come back. Anyways, I'm doing most of the beaches this week. Next week I'll be going for a soulful travel. And the sea that meets. We visited yesterday while coming. This place looks a little more developed than, has a lot of items which you don't find in Arambol actually. I stopped here. There's a chicken stall that I've come for that's nearby. So I'll buy the chicken later. First I'll visit some beach. Time to find the nearest beach. So I chose to come to Morjim beach. All the beaches starting to look familiar. Similar. So maybe it's time to explore something else in Goa. I'll walk that way, since there is a waterway. Water and sea connects. Similar scenes as the fisherman scenes seen in Arambol. As I'm walking, I'm seeing shacks coming into picture again. Maybe this part of the beach is a little commercial compared to the other side, which I entered. At least in the morning it's free. Some mountains over there. think I almost reached that place where the sea and the river. On to your left side is the river. On to your right side is the ocean. An entrance near the river where the river and sea meets. You can use that if you don't want to walk like for 10-15 minutes. Much calmer this side. Much calmer. So cold, so peaceful here. See that? I'm having fun with those mud. It's all good, but I should have come little early, an hour early maybe. I tried that. I left home at 7:30 yesterday. Today it was 8:15, so 45 minutes early. I could have been here. I think it would have been much better. Like I could have enjoyed. Now the sun is there, so I'm not able to find peace with the river. Like little, I just put my feet in there. That's enough for me. Yeah, so this is one specialty about Morjim beach. If you walk all the way till the end, you will see this river where you can enjoy the river side for river people and sea for sea people. Poor thing, they lost their ball. The walk was fun when I was going towards the river, but now while walking back to my place where I parked the car, it's getting too hot now. It's 10:30. Wish I was an hour early. Wish this I would have been over by 9:30. From tomorrow, yeah. I woke up yesterday, but again missed it too. Bye, Morjim Beach. Too hot. Need to come. Need to start early from tomorrow. At any cost. I'm on the way to buy a chicken. So there, I bought some chicken. Now back to Godiyawade Road. Arambol. This is one of the river sides.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
First time I'm preparing this, something like this. Took me 2 hours to prepare, more than 2 hours actually. The chicken took a lot of time to get fried. Look at this mess. There is chicken in there somewhere. Chicken, bell peppers, zucchini and broccoli. I've been to Ashwem beach to search that battery. So I saw that the water level has gone down, but then the battery is nowhere to be seen. I felt during the high tide in the night, right, it might have like washed out. Anyway, I'm thinking if the water level was low other day, I could have just put my hand and dragged it, but today it was low. That is gone. The zoom mic is not working, so looks like a 7K is out of the box. But then as I told other day, I saw old man, right? And I saw him again today, and he was with the same stick, but he was with two more old men. So the thing is, they were sitting on the chair, and this guy was talking to them. So I felt maybe he's giving me hope to forget all these monetary things. There are more to life than just monetary things.